Switching from iPhone to Huawei isn't always smooth, especially for SMS messages. Since iOS and Android don't sync directly, your texts won't transfer automatically. Here are 3 practical ways to move your messages easily without hassle. Method 1. Transfer SMS from iPhone to Huawei with Transfer for Mobile. Mobican Transfer for Mobile lets you move SMS from iPhone to Huawei easily, no backups or file conversion. It supports fast one-click transfers between iPhone, Android, and both systems. Step 1. Launch Transfer for Mobile program. Download and install Mobican Transfer for Mobile on your computer. Launch the program after installation. Connect both your iPhone and Huawei device to the computer using USB cables. Step 2. Switch the 2 phones to correct positions. Make sure your iPhone is set as the source device and Huawei as the destination. You can use the flip button if needed. Step 3. Start to transfer iPhone messages to Huawei. From the data list, select Messages SMS and uncheck other items. If you only want to transfer texts, click Start Copy to begin the transfer process. Wait until the process is complete, then safely disconnect both devices. Method 2. Transfer messages from iPhone to Huawei via Phone Clone. Install Phone Clone on both devices. Huawei, select New Phone, iOS QR code appears. iPhone, select Old Phone, scan QR or same Wi-Fi. Choose Messages SMS. Tap Start Migration. Method 3. Copy iPhone messages to Huawei using ISMS2 Droid. iPhone iTunes backup unencrypted. Find SMS database in backup folder. Copy to Huawei storage. Install ISMS2 Droid. Import file, start transfer.